Hi, welcome back to Shane's Machine Shop. This is my latest engine. It's a twin-cylinder horizontal mill type engine with a flyball governor. Just got through machining this and assembling it. I actually ordered this from PM Research from their website as a casting kit. It came with the raw castings and the round stock to machine into the engine. This is actually number 7 on their website. Let me show you some different views of it. Start with this side here. This is the flyball governor. I actually got this from China. It had a 1/4" 40 straight thread on it. So on the intake of the valve, I changed that to a 3/16 40 MTP, which is a model taper pipe thread. All of the fittings are the same, 3/16 MTP. I got those also from PM Research. They sell a variety of different pipe fittings. You can order them as finished machined, or order a casting tree and then cut off what you need and machine it from there. I put a different spring in the governor. I wanted it to activate at a slower RPM. When I did some test runs, it ran too fast. The engine only runs at 1,000 RPM max, and it was running way too fast. So with the weaker spring in here, it runs a little bit under 1,000 RPM. I machined this as the drawings were. I didn't change anything on it. I found a pulley, grooved pulley, that I drilled and reamed for the 1/4". And then it also had a grooved pulley on the governor. And then I got a flexible spring belt. It's actually a Wilesco. If you know what those are, they look kind of like this. One end is tapered, if you can see it there, and you just twist it a little bit and screw it together, and you got a drive belt. They're also known as a garter spring belt. This was a fun engine to build, machine and build. They all are. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the upcoming video of the engine running, and thanks for your continued watching. Hi, welcome back. We'll run the engine with the governor disconnected, so I can show you the difference in the RPM versus pressure ranges. It's 1500, which is way faster than the engine should run. That's at 45 psi. So we'll set it down, connect the governor, and see what it does now. There we go. So this is 90 psi. Once it gets there. 970 RPM. And the pressure it's running out. Close up of the governor. This has been a fun experiment. $979 RPM. So the governor is obviously working. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for your continued watching.